New chapter we are doing kinetic theory of gases. For CBSE student, this not to be prepared for board because you had in 11th. But for entrance, it will be revision for you. Yes, Mayank Dhruv.
Yes, sir.
So it will be revision for entrance part.
Okay, sir.
Kinetic theory of gas. Gas, they exert force on each other or they do not exert. Gas molecule. Hello?
Next.
They do.
No, they do not. No? There is no force of attraction between gas molecules. Otherwise, we have to study potential theory, kinetic theory. What is meaning of real gas? And what is meaning of ideal gas? What are real gas? What is ideal gas? Real gas do not obey ideal gas equation. They have force of attraction between gas molecules. That means they possess both kinetic and potential energy. But we are talking about ideal gas. Ideal gas will be those gas which do not exert force of attraction between neighboring molecules. They obey ideal gas equation. So how can we convert real gas into ideal gas? At high temperature, molecule will come closer or they will be away. At high temperature, molecules are close or away. Any molecule, solid, liquid, gas, temperature is high, they will start moving away. If away, then attraction is more or less?
Less.
Less.
Yes.
Attraction almost less means no potential, only kinetic. When I decrease the pressure, they will come closer or move away?
Away.
Away. So if molecules you are making them to move away from each other, definitely they will not attract. Coming closer to attract hoega na. So at high temperature and low pressure, at high temperature and low pressure, the real gas will behave as ideal gas. At high temperature, low pressure, real gas will behave as ideal gas. Ideal gas will obey ideal gas equation, that is PV equal to nRT. Right, first point. One question generally asked on this. If you have done, then tell, huh?
Done.
very important. Basic assumptions of kinetic theory of gases. You all can see gas molecule? No? क्यों आंख खराब है क्या? आंख खराब हो गया है? नहीं देख सकते अभी? सबका आंख बराबर है मुझे लगता है, शायद परफेक्ट है ना सबका?
Yes.
तो फिर ऐसा क्या हो गया, नहीं दिख रहा है आप लोग को? कलरलेस है ना
They
इसलिए
are
ना?
very small.
दे आर वेरी स्मॉल, परफेक्टली। ऐसा एक दो मॉलिक्यूल है क्या बहुत मॉलिक्यूल है गैस?
Many.
सो पहला फर्स्ट assumption, gas consists of large number of extremely small molecules. First one. Gas consists of large number of extremely small molecules. Are they similar? All gas molecule? मतलब ऑक्सीजन का सब मॉलिक्यूल एक जैसा ही रहेगा क्या अलग अलग रहेगा?
Similar.
Similar. So they are identical rigid sphere. That means they will not change the shape. They are identical rigid spheres. Do they keep at themselves at rest at one corner of the cupboard, or they keep on moving?
Keep on moving.
Keep on moving.
Where, right or left or up down?
Anywhere.
New direction.
All directions.
This anywhere is called as what in physics or in general language? Random, na?
Random.
So can I say
Random.
they are in the state of random motion? That means where they move, in all directions?
Yes.
That is, they move in all directions with same velocities, with different velocities, right? The 2 point. Gas consists of large number of extremely small molecules. They are identical rigid sphere. They are in the state of random motion. That is, they move in all directions with different velocities. Written 3 points.
Done.
Yes, sir.
See, there is this type of motion, zigzag, random, then molecules will collide or they won't collide. किधर भी जा रहे हैं ना इधर, तो they will collide or they won't
Collide.
collide. Streamline रहता है तो they won't collide ना, एक ही तरीका थोड़ा थोड़ा गैप में चलते रहते, they will collide. How many types of collision you have studied? Have you studied? There are some type of collision. Very perfect. Which two?
Elastic and
Elastic and inelastic. Inelastic बोलते हैं ना?
inelastic.
Yes.
Elastic मतलब क्या? Kinetic energy is also conserved ना?
Yes.
Inelastic means kinetic energy is not conserved.
Not concept.
So fourth point, can I say the gas molecules collide with each other? The gas molecules collide with each other, and collision is perfectly elastic. Right. The gas molecule collides with each other and collision is perfectly elastic. Written. Imagine this is container, cubical container. The gas molecule starts from here, reaches here. बीच में टकराएगा, थोड़ा path will be zigzag ऐसे. Hero, please let me. Wait a second. The gas molecules collides with each other and collision is perfectly elastic. Written, 4-point written.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this is wall of container. This is another wall of container. Gas molecule starts from here. It comes here and again returns back. So this and this, are they distance covered in successive collision? This total? It came here, went back. So can I say this much is distance covered in successive collision?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is called free path. Distance covered during successive collision is called as free path. 6. Average of large number of free path is called as mean free path. Copy 5th and 6th point. Completed again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When is your exam? Entrance exam? Yeah. When is your entrance exam?
In Jan.
Okay. For JEE main, first attempt is in Jan. And for medical wala, when it is the exam? Tentatively, I can say May.
May.
Even
Sir, JEE it is in Feb last week.
already first wala they have announced.
Yes, sir. On the official site.
Acha. So Feb last week. NEET is tentatively in May. MHT CT is also in May, correct?
Yes, sir.
By chance something goes wrong, तो फिर से 1 साल के बाद देना पड़ेगा ना एग्जाम.
Yes,
पढ़ाई कितना साल करते हैं आप? 2 years ना. और
Yes.
इम्पैक्ट 3 घंटे में आ जाता है ना सब.
yes, sir.
So can I say time of impact is negligible as compared to time for successive collision?
Yes,
मतलब a molecule will start from here, it go to this and come back. Hardly in fraction of second तक इसके साथ रहेगा, again it returns back. So time of impact for which it is giving force to this is almost negligible. That is next point. Time of impact is negligible as compared to time taken for successive collision. Right. Time of impact is negligible as compared to time taken for successive collisions. Time of impact is negligible as compared to time taken for successive collision. Done? 8. Hello?
Yes, sir. Done.
Suppose this is room. Again cubicle. I divide this into 2 parts. So number of molecule per unit volume. Suppose there are 100 molecule. When I divide into 2 parts, each part will have 50-50.
Yes, sir.
If I divide into 4 parts, then 25-25-25-25.
Yes, sir.
So that is called molecular density. That means number of molecule per unit volume always remains constant. The molecular density, that is number of molecules per unit volume always remains constant. 8th point, write down. Number molecular density, that is number of molecules per unit volume always remains constant. Later, राजवर्धन,
यस सर.
डिनर लेट हुआ क्या?
हाँ सर.
अच्छा अच्छा,
Sorry,
मतलब
sir.
क्या? नहीं, मुझे लगा शायद आपको बनाने करेगा चपाती वो. अभी बना के हो गया पूरा?
नहीं सर, खा के हो गया,
खा
सो
के हो
लेट हो
गया?
गया.
हाँ, मुझे लगा आपको बनाने के लिए इससे टाइम लग गया. फिर क्या खाया आज? पूरन पोली?
हाँ सर.
अरे मैंने ऐसे ही फेंका, सच्ची पूरन पोली खाया?
हाँ सर.
अच्छा अच्छा. ऑफलाइन चालू होगा तो हम लोग के लिए भी लेके आओ पूरन पूरी।
हाँ जरूर सर।
हाँ, मुझे लग रहा है नवंबर के बाद शायद चालू होएगा। Completed 8 point.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Last point for assumption. Anybody knows basic difference between heat and temperature? Karan, I think you will might be knowing. Karan Vora. What is heat and temperature में फर्क? और अनय, do you know?
So heat is internal energy and temperature is
Correct.
degree of hotness.
Correct, correct. This is internal energy. This is degree of hotness. It is nothing but measure of average kinetic energy of moving electron. Na?
Yes.
Okay. So same concept here we are putting now. Average kinetic energy of a molecule is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. Average kinetic energy of a molecule is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. Right, 9 point. Done. Shall I clear this also? Can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Define the following. First, mean velocity denoted by C bar. Simple definition, but still sometimes they can ask you an MCQ. Mean velocity. The arithmetic or we can say average, meaning same. The arithmetic mean of velocities of all the gas molecules is called as mean velocity. Let C1, C2 dot up to Cn be velocities of n gas molecules. Therefore, mean velocity comma C bar equals to C1 plus C2 up to Cn divided by n. Right. Second, mean square velocity. The arithmetic mean of squares of velocities of all the gas molecule is called as mean square velocity. Let C1, C2, Cn be the velocities of n gas molecule. So mean square velocity is C square bar, which is C1 square, C2 square, Cn square divided by n. C square bar is C1 square plus C2 square plus dot 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 up to Cn square divided by n. Copy this one.
Done, sir.
So root mean square velocity or RMS velocity. Root mean square velocity. The square root of mean square velocity, the square root of mean square velocity is called as RMS velocity. Therefore, C is root of C square bar, that is C1 square plus C2 square up to Cn square divided by n. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Fourth point. Mean free path. First free path once again we'll write separately if they ask. The distance covered during successive collision is called as free path. Fifth, mean free path. The average of large number of free path is called as mean free path. Let lambda 1, lambda 2 up to lambda n be n free paths. Therefore, mean free path lambda bar is lambda 1 plus lambda 2 dot 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 lambda n divided by n. Free path I am clearing from here because one formula we have to write for mean free path other than the formula of lambda 1 plus lambda 2 up to lambda n divided by n. It is also given by lambda bar is 1 upon root 2 pi n d square. Where n equals to molecular density, E equals to diameter of gas molecule.
Done, sir.
Okay. So all definitions we have done which we require for proving something. This year they had asked in MCQ of NEET formula for pressure exerted on wall of container. Derive expression for pressure exerted on wall of container. Okay, just draw one diagram, then I am giving the explanation.
Done, sir.
Okay, थोड़ा बेसिक्स पहला देख लें. We want pressure. Pranjali, what is definition of pressure? Yes, Pranjali, definition of pressure. Neha, Isha, Arya, definition of pressure.
Force acting per unit area.
Force acting per unit area. Perfect. And what is force by Newton's second law?
Mass into acceleration.
Mass into
Correct. What else? Rate
change
of
in momentum.
change of momentum. Correct. So if I find change in momentum in 1 second, can I say it is force?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And if I divide by area, I will get pressure.
Yes.
Matlab my focus is find initial momentum, find final momentum, find change in momentum, find total change in momentum in 1 second. So force हो जाएगा ना?
Yes.
Okay. One more small point. What is law of conservation of momentum? Law of conservation of momentum. Momentum before collision is momentum after collision.
Initial is equal to final.
So momentum before collision equal to momentum after, na?
Yes, sir.
So that means initial momentum of gas plus initial momentum of container is final momentum of gas plus final momentum of container. Correct? This is system. So final momentum of gas minus initial momentum of gas is initial container minus final container. So if I take minus common, final minus initial is final of gas minus initial of gas. Minus I'm bringing this side. So can I say minus of change in the momentum of gas will be momentum of container? Because
Yes.
pressure फोर्स इसके ऊपर कितना पड़ा वो चाहिए ना, तो कितना चेंज इन मोमेंटम इस पे गया वो चाहिए ना, तो इसके पास 3 है तो इसको -3 देगा ना टकराने पे. हेलो हेलो.
Yes.
Yes.
So if change in momentum of gas molecule is 10, then change in momentum of container we will write -10. Clear? Why? Then only total will be 0 ना. Starting also total momentum 0, बाद में भी 0 है ना.
Yes.
इतना समझा तो ही समझ में आएगा आपको सब. We are talking about ideal gas or real gas?
Ideal.
नहीं, ideal. So consider n molecules of ideal gas to be enclosed in a cubical container having length of each side as L. Hence, area of each face A equals to L square and volume of cube B equal to L cube. Let small m be mass of each gas molecule. Hence, total mass of gas is small m into capital M. Density of gas in bracket rho is mass Mn upon volume V, which is Mn upon L cube. Please complete this much. Consider n molecules of ideal gas to be enclosed in a cubical container having length of each side as L. Hence, area of each face L square, volume of cube is L cube, m be the mass of each gas molecule, total mass of gas is Mn, density of gas rho equals to Mn upon V, Mn upon L cube. Completed?
Completed, sir.
Okay, shall I clear?
Yes, sir.
Let OX, comma OY, comma OZ be three mutually perpendicular axes be represented by intersecting edges of cube as molecular density is constant, hence n by 3 molecules. See, we have divided this into 3D. So every axis will have n by 3 molecules. As molecular density is constant, has n by 3 molecules travel parallel to each axis. Let C1, C2, C3 dot 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 Cn by 3 be velocities of n by 3 molecules. Complete this much. Consider one such molecule having mass m, comma, traveling parallel to x-axis. With velocity c1. Can you tell me what will be initial momentum of this molecule? M times C1. Hello?
Yes, sir.
I took just one molecule whose mass is m, moving with velocity c1 parallel to x-axis or perpendicular to ABC. What will be its initial momentum? mc1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Will it rebound back with same velocity because collision is elastic?
Yes.
So final momentum minus mc1.
Yes, sir.
Minus
Yes, sir.
because it is rebounding back. So if initial is positive, this rebound wala will be negative. So what will be change in momentum?
Twice of MC1.
Minus of twice of
Minus
MC1.
twice.
Yes, sir.
Change in momentum means final momentum minus initial momentum. That will be minus MC1 minus MC1. So minus 2 times MC1.
Yes, sir.
This is change in momentum of gas molecule. We want change in momentum of wall of container. Just copy this one more line, it will be plus. So एक बार collide हो गया, it gives momentum to the wall plus 2 MC1. This way we want when it collides n times what it will give momentum. In fact, if it is colliding in 1 second, what will be momentum? Just complete this much. By law of conservation of momentum. Only like this much, nothing else. Today we'll stop here. If done, then please tell.
Done, sir.
Everybody is done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's all for today. Again, we'll meet as per our extra schedule. I think